Turning your engine 19V32 engine turn. Engine is turning good. Compressor here is good, no damage, no broken. Same as well the alternator here, no problem. On top, everything's good, didn't see any damages. From here this side also good, no problem. And the turbo here also good. And it's good, no problem. It's no up and down, very nice, very good. And this engine, no orange pipe, it's clean, you can see, no problem. And from this side, everything's good, didn't see any damages from this side. And down here, the starter also good, no problem. And down here, the oil sum and the gearbox also good, no damage, no broken. And the engine is turning good.